Hi guys, welcome back for another vlog video here from the best city in the world, Paris. Tonight we are in Parc Villette and we will share with you this experience of light circus. It's a sparkling journey through nature, art and sound. Don't know what waiting for us. Enough talking, let's dive in. They said this path will last 1 hour, but yeah, we'll show you only the highlights. The forest is filled with song, vibration, dancing, pushing through the world around, find symphony in their wavelengths, lets their music carry you. We have here Villette bars dancing and vibrating with the music. Yeah, let's take a seat there and try to film for you guys. Let's dance. Yo, it's a mix between Asian, African music. But the light show is impressive. I see there is other activities, so it's just the beginning. Be prepared to see what's happening next. Okay, here it's the invisible and it lasts 4 minutes, 45 minutes. Everywhere at every moment, forces of life unfold, breathing, growing, changing, revealing wonders to those who seek. You can sit here, just in the center. Yeah, let's sit and wait. 4 minutes too long. I think I'm not waiting for 4 minutes. Oh, it's like the Matrix. Really, with the music and the animation, you feel like you are in the Amazonia or in a forest. It's really cool, the vibe here. Also, you have the moon there. It's full moon tonight. Wow. It's really cool. Looks like bamboos, but I think it's not bamboo. Oh no, yeah, it's bamboo. Really, it's bamboo, I guess. Yeah, it's bamboo. I remember that we did here an interview. We did here our first podcast with Mina Blue. Special thanks to Mina Blue if she will watch this vlog, and yeah, we filmed this podcast just here. It's really cool. A roof with lights. It looks very beautiful. And small LED there with wires. But yeah, it feels magical, really. It's like stars on top of you, really. But it's really cool the way that they are blinking. Really like. And also you have the moon there, very beautiful, the view. I will let you enjoy, guys. Yeah, this one I like. It's more interactive, at least you can walk and enjoy the experience, not just sit and watch a light show. Yeah, let's continue to another experience. Yeah, we just arrived to the next experience. So this experience is 4 minutes 50. We gather in nature, we gather in light, we think the clearing, a sacred space, a beating heart that resonates, a chorus of life illuminates our state of connection. And you have in the middle this installation. It's really cool. Let's sit here. Oh, you have light projection on the tree there. Yeah, we have here fire to warm up. Well, let's go there. Oh, they even give you here blankets. You cover with them like that and you feel more. Yeah, really good. To hear crystal groove. A single tree, a piece of the grove. A network of connection beings sing to each other. It's always complicated to understand those words and sentences. So philosophical for me. Wow, it's really cool. Those lights, it's like flowers illuminating the whole park. So very beautiful when they are lighting in yellow like that. It's really beautiful.
La lure perce les nuages.
The sunset. Yeah, no need to read those
En suspens.
sentences for you. They are hard to explain. Even me, I don't understand them.
Traverser le temps.
Yeah, let's go inside of this jungle. Oh, really cool. I don't know if in the camera it's as beautiful as I'm saying, but just amazing, guys. Oh, I really like it. You feel like this experience is so romantic. If you are in couple, it's the best spot to stay there. You just stay, chill, enjoy the music and take picture. Yeah, we just arrived at the starting point, but you have those bulb houses. It's a house with a TV projection, but let's sit on the couch. I wanted the real fire, not TV projection of the fire. And even the candles are not real. Yeah, let's see and send a letter for Santa. We take some. Oh, there is a Pikachu here. I don't know who wrote this Pikachu. Let's look for orange, not oranges. It's yellow, but yeah, anyways, let's do this yellow paper.
Alors, je suis trop sérieuse là.
Yeah, let's write. Let's write Parisian diaries. I hope to reach. Yeah, let's say 20k for the next year. 20k followers for 2026. I'm counting on you guys to help us and to subscribe to our channel. Really, I'm counting on your support. It helps us to do more content and more credibility in this wonderful city, Paris. Let's send it to Santa. Yeah, let's send this letter to Santa. I don't know what they will do with those papers. They will throw them, or really they will send them or read them. Oh, let's sit there and take a selfie and share. Yeah, that's it. I send my vows to the Santa Claus. I hope that it will get realized. I hope to get 10k followers the next year. I'm counting on you guys to support us and to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I hope to see you in another vlog video next year from this wonderful city, Paris. Until then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.